Hi guys, and welcome to TMAT Academy. This is our series 8, and this series 8 is another aspect of linear equation. Okay, but this time around we are going to solve with the bracket. Like you have seen, number 1, 2 bracket x minus 6 equals to 20. Now, I told us in our series 6 that once you see a bracket, what do? You remove the bracket. That is the first thing. Like this, number 1, we have 2, open a bracket, x minus 6. The first thing is, like I said, open the bracket, remove it. How do we do that? These 2 here, we multiply the 2 factors inside the bracket. So that is 2 times x. You won't stop there. Also, 2 times minus 6. Firstly, let's start with 2 times x. 2 times x is 2x. So I write it down, 2x. Then 2 times minus 6, that's minus 12. So you write it together with its sign, minus 12, then equals to 20. Now from here, we now collect the like times, just as how we did it in our series 7. Okay, so we collect the like times. This letter 2x must stay alone on one side, and this number has to move to this place. Okay, so we say collect like terms. All right, so from here 2x will stay, then is equals to, please, this is my x, pardon me for that, is equals to 20 firsts. This 12 is minus, come here, become plus. We have done those things in series 7. You can go back and watch. So it becomes what? Plus 12. So we say 2x equals to 20 plus 12 is 32 when you add. Okay, so the next thing is we divide both sides by 2. Okay, so as to find x. So on this side we write the value, then divided by 2. On the other side, 32 divided by 2. So this cancel this. So s is now free. Then is equals to what? Here 2 in 32, it's actually 16, but there are some students that will still count it. You don't need to count here. Okay, this is what you do. You can divide it one by one, starting from this side, not here, your left hand side, which is 3. So this 3, 2 in 3 is 1 time. It will remain 1. Put the 1 at the back of the next number. It will now become 12. Okay, as you can see. So 2 in 12 is 6. So that is 16. So x is equals to 16. Okay, number 2, just like we did the number 1, when you see the bracket, you remove it. Now, 3 times y, also 3 times 2. Some students will say 3 times 1 here. Please, this 1 here, okay, isn't part of this. So this 3 cannot multiply this 1. All right, so after you are through with this place, just write plus 1, you continue. So see how we are going to do it now. 3 times y, that is 3y. 3 times 6, that is 6. The sign of 6 here is plus, so that will be plus 6. Then plus 1, you continue. Not 3 times 1, because it's not inside the bracket. All right, so equals to 28. So what do we do here? We can add this together. 3y, 6 plus 1 is 7, equals to 28. Okay, so we collect like terms. Please, I want to use this CLT as the abbreviation for collecting the like terms. So that means 3y will stay here, equals to 28. 7, we have to go to that place. The sign of 7 is what? Positive. Going there becomes negative. So that is minus 7. So 28 minus 7, that is 21. So from here, you know what to do. That is, we divide both sides by 3. So divide both sides by 3. Okay, so that will be 3y over 3 equals to 21 over 3. 3 cancel 3. Y is free. So I can write it up. Y is equals to, yes, 3 here 1. 3 in 21 is how many times? 7 times. So y equals to 7. Okay, number 3, we have this. Okay, there is a bracket too. So we have to remove the bracket using the number outside to multiply each of the factors in the bracket. Okay, so 6 times 2a, that is a 12a. You write it down, you wait. So 6 times minus 5, that is minus 30. The 30 is minus, so you write it together with its sign, minus 30. Then that you are true is equals to, then 3 times 3a, 3 times 3 is 9, so that is 9a. Okay, so that is 9a. Come down, 3 times 8, 24. What sign is 24 here? It's positive, that is plus 24. So what do we do here? You know, it has we have removed the bracket now. Okay, so from here we collect the like terms. All right, so what are the like terms? The letter will come to one place. So let's start with 12a. This 9a is positive. Coming to 12, the sign will change to minus. So that will be minus 9a, okay, equals to 24. All right, then this sign is coming here. Okay, it will become plus 30. So 12a minus 9a, that's what? That is, if you subtract, you have 3a. Then is equals to, if you add this, that is 54. So we are looking for a. So we have to divide. So please, I'm going to use an abbreviation for divide both sides in order to save our time. So that is divide both. Please, in your own notes, you can write it in full. Okay, so divide both sides by 3. So that will be 3a over 3 equals to 54 over 3. So what can go here? 3 cancel 3. So 3 can go in 54. 3 here 1. 3 in 5 is 1 time. It remains 2. Put the 2 here to be 24. 3 in 24 is 8. So the answer remains A equals to 18. All right. The next one is 7 minus, this. Okay. I know that. I know what you are thinking. Probably 7, using this 7 to open this bracket. Please, you can't do that. Okay. The sign of 7 here is plus. So 7 is standing alone. 7 don't have the right to open this bracket. Okay. So you use this minus to open this bracket. Or you can say minus 1. You can put 1 there. But to avoid confusion, because you may be asking me, where did I see this 1? Okay. So you can just clean it and use the minus only to open the bracket. So that means that this minus, you will multiply everything in the bracket. So that means that the 7 will stay. Okay, so minus times x, that is minus x. Then minus times minus 6. Minus and minus will turn to plus 6 and equals to 3x plus 4. So you can collect the like times here. I mean on this side. Now take note, when you are collecting the like times on one side, the sign will not change. You know why? Because none of this number is moving to that side. They are still on the same side. So when they are on the same side, even though you are collecting the like times, the sign will not change. So you can just bring the 7 and 6 together. So 7 plus 6, then the x remains minus x is equals to this one here, 3x plus 4. So 7 plus 6 is 13. Then minus x, okay, equals to 3x plus 4. So here now you can now say collect like terms. Now you can start anywhere. There are some students that will use this method. They will bring this number here, that is 13 will stay here. Then this 4 is plus, come here become minus 4 equals to, then the 3x will stay here. The s, you can also do it like that. It's correct. Okay, so the x is minus, come here become plus x. Pardon. So that would be 13 minus 4 is 9 equals to 3 plus x. That is 3 plus 1. Okay, that is 4. Then because of the x, that will be 4x. See, so what do we do here? We collect we divide the both side by, is it by 9? Because 9 is now on this side. you know, we have been, all our variables, our letters, has been on this side, the left hand side, since all this while. So there are some people that say, okay, so all the numbers that stay on the left hand side, we divide both sides by that. No, you don't do that. The law says that you divide both sides by the coefficients of x or any letter, the variable that you are looking for. So even though the 4 or the x is on this side, I still follow the rules, which says the number that stay or stand with that letter, so you divide both sides by that number, meaning that I'm dividing both sides, side by 4. Okay, so let me do it here. All right, so we have here 9 over 4 equals to 4x over 4. So 4 cancel 4, s is free. So now we can now see 9 over 4 equals to x. So that is that. So you now say, so therefore s equals to 9. You change the position, 9 over 4. Please pardon me, I want to give you an alternative to this place. That okay, an alternative to this from this place, that is 13 minus x equals to 3x plus 4. There are some students that may want to put the x on this side. It's allowed. So, but you must be very careful. That is, you must detect your sign first. Okay, so the x here is minus, so that you say collect like terms. So that will be minus x, because this x is minus. All right, this 3x is plus, coming here becomes minus. So that is minus 3x equals to, the sign here is, the number here is 4, the landlord, is equals to 4, then 13 here is plus, the plus is here, so coming here becomes minus 13. Okay, so minus x minus 3x, it's like you say minus 1 minus 3. Okay, that is minus 4, but because of the x, we have minus 4x equals to 4 minus 13. Ordinarily 13 minus 4 is 9, so you can't expect 4 minus 13 to be 9. That is minus 9. And there's another way that I've explained this. You can check series 3 if you want to learn all these things. So that is minus 9. And I told us in series 7 that when you have a sign here, what happened? The minus, I mean minus, not sign. But if you have minus here, the minus will cancel each other. So here I'm left with 4s equals to 9. You can see that it's the same thing. So what do we say? We divide both sides by 4. So that is 4x over 4 equals to 9 over 4. 4 cancel 4. So my x equals to 9 over 4. Please, let's come back here. 9 over 4 is an improper fraction. Okay? So what do you say? You change it to a mixed fraction. So how many times does 4 go in 9? It goes 2 times, it remains 1. So that is 2 whole number, 1 over this 4. The same thing is applicable here, 2 whole number, 1 over 4. That is the final answer. Please, I want to correct an expression here. Look, take a look at this place. 7 minus, what if it is plus? You also do the same thing, okay? If this place had been 4 now, plus, so that would be plus x, then plus and minus will be minus here. So just use the sign to multiply the factors in the bracket. All right, take a look at the question on the board. We have minus 2 into this, yes, minus this, and this. I will solve this. I will leave this as class drill or class activities, but I will tell you what you are going to do. First thing, what you do is that before that, you can send your answer on the comment section box. Okay, all right, if you want to solve this, you use this to remove the brackets. This one doesn't affect this. I think you know what that means. Okay, so you get your answer, is equals to this, so you collect the like times, you solve. Okay, why this second one, we have 5p minus 7. So you use this minus 7 to remove the bracket. And as well, 4 to remove the bracket of the other one. So what do? You bring them together, collect the like times, divide both sides. I wish you good luck. Don't forget to send your answer in the comment section box, okay? I believe series 8 is well explained. If you have any question, kindly put it down in our comment box. God bless you. See you in series 9.